Today on 3rd of August, there were 5 stations over Goa which reported rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters. The highest was reported at Marmugao station, which was 74 mm, that is 7 centimeters. Other stations such as Mapsa, Permain, then Valpoi also reported rainfall exceeding 6 centimeters. Now, IMD Goa had already forecasted on 29th of July itself that the rainfall over Goa is going to increase in the first week of August. Among that, from 3rd onwards, the rainfall activity will be the highest. So, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, 3rd, 4th, and 5th of August, we have issued an orange colored alert. That means very heavy rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours is expected at 3 or 4 stations over both the districts of Goa on 3rd, 4th as well as 5th of August. Now, this rain will be accompanied with winds of speed approximately 40 to 50 km per hour also. The reason for this increase in rainfall is basically there is a expected formation of a low pressure region over North Bay of Bengal. So when this low pressure forms, it will improve the wind, monsoon wind. It will increase the wind speed from surface level to up to around 3.1 kilometers height. So the winds are going to be strong, and there are fishermen warning also for these 5 days. Wind over the coastal region will be around 40 to 50 or sometimes even up to 60 km per hour in these coming 4 to 5 days. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea. Now, as the rainfall activity also is expected to continue up to 6th or 7th of August, even though the very heavy rainfall warning is not there from around 7th of August, still increased activity will be there. And when this rainfall continues, it is advised that people who are living in areas which are vulnerable for weather related disasters, they should be taking necessary precautions. And now talking about the cumulative rainfall, Goa till now in this season has recorded up to around 237 centimeters against a normal value of 206 centimeters, that is approximately 15% higher than normal. Once again it is repeated that on August 3rd, 4th and 5th, rainfall activity is expected to be highest, and once the low pressure region forms over North Bay of Bengal on 4th, we can expect even rainfall up to exceeding 20 centimeters in 24 hours. So the possibility of extremely heavy rainfall also is there on these 3 days.